Hardwood floor colors in 2026 are shifting toward nature-inspired tones with timeless elegance. This year, wooden floor lovers are leaning into rich, organic hues that feel grounded and serene. One standout hardwood floor trend is the rise of mossy oak, a soft, earthy brown with green undertones. This hardwood color pairs perfectly with biophilic design and brings the outdoors right into your space. Light wooden floor tones aren't going anywhere, but in 2026, they've taken on a slightly beige warmth. Forget the icy grays. Warm white oak is the hardwood floor hero in minimalist and Japandi-style interiors. Bleached hardwood color tones with visible grain are trending in coastal-inspired designs for a breezy effect. Satin finishes are making a comeback, giving your hardwood floor a subtle sheen without the plastic gloss. Deep espresso wooden floor shades are also regaining popularity in luxe, moody interiors. Paired with jewel-tone furniture, dark hardwood floor colors create an atmosphere of dramatic sophistication. One of the most daring wooden floor trends of 2026 is the charcoal black stain, bold, edgy, and ultra-modern. These bold hardwood colors work best in large, open-concept homes with lots of natural light. Warm reddish-brown wooden floor tones like cherry and chestnut are also sneaking back from the early 2000s. These nostalgic hardwood floor shades now feature matte finishes and wider planks for a modern twist. Neutral taupe is the chameleon hardwood color this year, effortlessly adapting to warm or cool palettes. It's the ideal wooden floor color for people who frequently change up their interior decor. In kitchens, hardwood floor stains in buttery caramel and honey gold are favored for cozy farmhouse vibes. These wooden floor tones make any space feel instantly welcoming and sunny, even on cloudy days. Another 2026 favorite is the dual-tone hardwood floor, planks with slight variations for a natural, handcrafted look. This hardwood color approach brings depth and visual interest without overwhelming the eye. Wide planks continue to dominate, enhancing the natural grain and hue of your chosen wooden floor color. Patterned wooden floor installations like herringbone and chevron remain stylish when paired with muted tones. Matte and oil-rubbed finishes are preferred this year for a soft, tactile feel underfoot. They help accentuate the hardwood floor's natural character and reduce visible scratches over time. Eco-conscious homeowners are turning to reclaimed wood with weathered hardwood colors full of story and soul. These aged wooden floor options often come in neutral tones with incredible texture and patina. Engineered hardwood floor options now come in an expanded range of finishes and sustainable wood sources. Waterproof engineered wooden floor options are blending durability with 2026's chicest colors. For those craving something bold, navy washed, or indigo-toned hardwood floor stains are gaining niche appeal. These creative wooden floor colors pop in eclectic or artistic interiors with maximalist energy. Gray hardwood color tones still exist, but have warmed up to greige or mushroom beige variants. These updated wooden floor hues work great in transitional and modern traditional homes. In smaller rooms, light and natural wooden floor colors help expand visual space and increase brightness. If you're remodeling in 2026, consider hardwood floor tones that contrast subtly with your wall color. This creates a refined and intentional design without visual monotony. Popular wood species this year include white oak, hickory, maple, and walnut, each with distinctive hardwood color profiles. White oak's golden undertones make it the wooden floor MVP for most homes. Hickory's bold grain makes it a rustic standout in farmhouse or craftsman-style interiors. Maple offers a clean, light, hardwood floor surface, ideal for Scandinavian minimalism. Walnut brings a dark, smoky hardwood color for those wanting timeless elegance with depth. When choosing your hardwood floor color, always consider lighting, furniture tones, and your home's overall vibe. Color samples on a showroom floor can look drastically different under your home's unique lighting. Hardwood color trends in 2026 favor subtlety, organic tones, and finishes that age gracefully over time. Ultimately, the best wooden floor color is the one that makes you love your home every time you walk in.